So check it out. Here's a little add-on project that was kind of by accident. I was looking at an auction on eBay for a WM Crooks, a Marx old-time steamer shell, and the locomotive shell was in pretty decent shape, and it was only like $25, but it also included this little Lionel switcher, and there was like a Marx four-wheel plastic tender, which is nothing. It was broken. So, but anyway, I looked at this, and they said it didn't run, which it didn't. It was missing the drive rods too, all of them, and it was missing the handrails. So I looked at the motor, and I could see that the motor plates were loose. The little support in there had broken. So I drilled through both motor plates, and I put a nut and bolt through them, and made sure everything was lined up. And of course, so now it runs really good. And so I made a set of handrails for it. I found some eyelets at Hobby Lobby, and I used the metal wire from a surveyor stake to make the handrail for it. And I think I could actually make a thinner. I think I found some stuff at Hobby Lobby that's probably closer to the size that Lionel used, but I kind of like my bigger one anyway. And I touched up the paint. I also added a little white stripe to the side. I figured why not. And I put marker jewels where they should be. The headlight lens was missing too, so I used a Marx E7 reproduction headlight lens, and it popped right in there really nice. So I've got a Marx Sound of Power tender that I had custom painted for Pennsylvania behind it. And then I've got my own version of a kind of a six-wheeled Marx boom and crane there, which is kind of neat. So I thought we'd take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. It runs pretty good. It's always amazing to me how much these switchers will pull too. They're really good pullers for the size of them. And of course with my tender I added some custom handrails too, and the tender has actually a Lionel Sound of Steam board with a Marx actuator. They work really well together. And we'll pick the camera up, kind of follow it around a little bit. Here's my, it's a K-line caboose that was pressed out of a Marx mold, and I added a light to it. Put Marx trucks on it. Probably getting broken in because I don't know when the last time that motor ran, but I was glad I was able to find a nice set of the side rods for it too. Which, spare the rod, spoil the engine, I say. I like the full working valve gear that it has. The older Lionels, they really did a nice job with the side rods and making them look nice. Yeah, we'll set the camera back down, why not? All right, I think you got it running really great. The E-unit cycles as it should, so I'm really happy with it. It's just one of those little extra projects that come along, and of course I couldn't just leave it laying around like an orphan. So anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.